Well, I wanted to do an update on a squeeze play that I did on Apple this past week, actually on Monday. So first thing I start off with is my scanner, which scans. I can scan anything. This is a scan of the NASDAQ 100, so I can scan it looking for what I call volatility compression type setups, and then it'll show me based on any time frame I want, really 30-minute, 60-minute, daily, weekly, monthly. And I can look for something that meets the squeeze parameters that I'm looking for, and then it'll also show number of days in the squeeze. It'll show me when it's triggered, like right here. Here was a trigger, daily trigger to squeeze, and this was to the downside, so it's in red to represent down or green to represent up, and that was on Adobe. And so anyway, that's where I start, and then I go to the actual charts and look at the setup. Now, this was Apple, and this is an interesting chart. Here's Apple. It started the squeeze. It was in a squeeze on the 18th of March, and then it was in it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and then triggered yesterday, the 25th, and then today, now it's back into a squeeze again. But it's still in a squeeze on the weekly. And it's been a squeeze on the weekly for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Broke a weekly trend line. So I put this position on Monday, and I'll show you the trade that I did, the options that I bought. So had a nice breakout. You can see on the 24th on Monday, and this is when I put on the trade. And basically, I'll tell you what I did here. So I bought the 530 monthly calls right here. You can see, and I bought those on Monday. They were going for, I bought those at actually 1565, and then today I sold them off right on the open at 1965. So I made a $400 per contract on that. Those were about a 65 delta, and then I also had bought some 560 calls right here. Paid around $2.70 on Monday. They're currently $2.15 at $2.20. But then what I did was converted it to what I call what it is called a ladder, vertical ladder call spread. So I sold against it the 600 calls and also the 575 calls to finance. So that I collected $167 contract there. So this will help me with theta decay. So anyway, I like the looks of the trade. I also did a bull put credit spread on the weekly, and actually I just sold I also sold the 525 puts right here, expiring Friday at $70 contract. Bought those back today at $20, so made $50 contract on that. So all in all, a nice trade. So these are the kind of trade setups that I look for, swing trades using option. Now I'm doing a free webinar tomorrow night, Thursday night at 8 p.m. Eastern. It'll be on swing trading. It's going to be very interactive. I'll be covering positive trader psychology, developing a trading plan, trading timeframes used, what is a swing trade, best markets for swing trading, favorite swing trade option strategies, and a free screening tool. So if you'd like to sign up, you can sign up on this page at the end of the video or on the email registration link that you'll see on this email. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it helps, and talk to you in the next update.